The crypto world is buzzing with anticipation as Shiba Inu SHIB, the beloved meme coin, faces a pivotal moment while an emerging competitor, Rexas Finance RXS, gains explosive momentum. Investors and analysts alike are eyeing these two tokens closely, with predictions suggesting a massive surge of up to 1,200% could be just around the corner. Here's an in-depth look at why SHIB and RXS could be the breakout stars of 2025. Rexas Finance RXS, the rising star challenging Shiba Inu. Rexas Finance RXS has rapidly risen from obscurity to one of the most talked about tokens in the cryptosphere. Since its pre-sale launch at just $0.30, RXS has surged over 580% to reach 20 cents, a remarkable feat in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. With its pre-sale nearing completion and a planned launch price of $0.25 on June 19, 2025, Rexas Finance is positioning itself as a serious contender alongside Shiba Inu SHIB. What makes Rexas Finance so attractive to investors? At the heart of RXS's appeal is its groundbreaking model that bridges blockchain with real-world assets. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that primarily serve as digital tokens or decentralized finance tools, Rexas Finance enables users to tokenize physical assets like real estate, gold, and other valuable commodities. Real-world asset tokenization. This innovative approach allows fractional ownership and trading of high-value assets on the blockchain, providing unprecedented liquidity and access for everyday investors. Multi-token standards. RXS supports ERC20, ERC721, and ERC1155 token standards, making the platform compatible with multiple blockchain ecosystems and expanding its utility. Strong pre-sale performance, with over 443 million tokens sold out of 500 million during the pre-sale, totaling $43.5 million in investments, market interest is clearly skyrocketing. Whale investor confidence. A recent large transaction involving 54 ETH worth over $174,000 signals strong institutional and big investor backing, which often precedes substantial price rallies. Transparency and security, a key differentiator. Investor confidence is further bolstered by Rexas Finance's commitment to security and transparency. The project passed a comprehensive CertiK audit, one of the most respected security audits in the crypto industry, providing assurance against vulnerabilities and malicious exploits. Additionally, investors can monitor RXS's market activity in real time via trusted aggregators like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, enhancing transparency and fostering a community built on trust. Massive community engagement and giveaways. Rexas Finance has also ignited enthusiasm through its community initiatives. Its $1 million giveaway campaign has attracted over 1.2 million entries, creating buzz and expanding its investor base. On top of that, 20 additional prizes of $50,000 each further incentivize participation and engagement within the RXS ecosystem. Shiba Inu SHIB price analysis. What's next for the meme coin giant? Shiba Inu, once a viral sensation and a darling of the crypto retail crowd, now finds itself in a critical phase. Currently trading at approximately $0.00001249, SHIB has shown mixed signals. Recent price action. Despite a modest 1% gain in the past day, SHIB has seen a nearly 20% drop over the last month. This volatility reflects uncertainty among traders and a market caught between hope and hesitation. Market consolidation zone. SHIB's price movements have largely been confined within a narrow range, indicating that investors are cautious and waiting for a definitive breakout signal before committing more capital. Key technical levels. Analysts suggest SHIB needs to break through resistance around $0.00001280 to $0.00001300 to confirm a bullish trend. If successful, it could push higher towards $0.00001340, presenting short-term upside opportunities. Risks on the horizon. On the downside, failure to hold the crucial support at $0.00001200 might trigger a further decline, potentially testing the $0.00001150 level. The battle between buyers and sellers will dictate SHIB's near-term trajectory. But a decisive move could unlock a fresh wave of investor interest. Why Rexas Finance could outperform traditional cryptos. Rexas Finance is not just another token chasing hype. It embodies a larger trend of blockchain's integration with real-world financial assets, a sector showing remarkable growth potential. Fractionalized asset ownership, RXS allows everyday investors to buy fractions of expensive assets like property or gold, breaking down barriers to entry that once limited such investments to the wealthy. Decentralization and accessibility, the platform's decentralized structure ensures no single party controls the system, democratizing access and fostering a strong, engaged community. Investor-centric philosophy, unlike many projects that cater mainly to venture capital firms, Rexas Finance prioritizes individual investors, building grassroots support that can sustain long-term growth. Strong post-launch projections, analysts forecast RXS could reach $7 or more post-launch, driven by rising demand and growing awareness of blockchain investment solutions. How SHIB and RXS could together spark a crypto rally. The contrasting yet complementary narratives of SHIB and RXS set the stage for a dynamic market environment. SHIB's established brand and community, as one of the most recognized meme coins with a massive holder base. Shiba Inu maintains a strong cultural presence that can fuel speculative rallies. RXS's innovation and utility, Rexas Finance offers tangible utility through asset tokenization, appealing to investors seeking long-term value beyond hype. Potential 1,200% gains. Combined, these factors suggest that savvy investors who diversify between SHIB and RXS could capitalize on an upcoming bull market phase, potentially realizing gains of 10x or more. Final thoughts: why you should watch SHIB and RXS closely. The next few months could be game-changing for both Shiba Inu and Rexas Finance. SHIB's price action will test whether meme coins still have what it takes to drive significant gains amid shifting market sentiment. RXS's launch and adoption represent a fresh wave of blockchain innovation, with the power to redefine how we invest in real-world assets. For crypto enthusiasts, traders, and long-term investors, keeping a close eye on these two tokens could unlock substantial opportunities. Whether you're drawn to SHIB's community-driven momentum or Rexas Finance's revolutionary approach, the potential for explosive growth is undeniable. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and catch the next big crypto surge, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join the discussion below. What do you think? Will SHIB reclaim its glory, or is RXS the new king of crypto? Drop your thoughts and let's talk.